Welcome, ice cream lovers! Ice cream texture can be substantially improved, reducing ice crystals, slowing melting, and preventing gumminess with the help of stabilizers. Xanthan gum adds creaminess and body, helping ice cream stay smooth and resist melting too quickly. Locust bean gum enhances thickness and elasticity, working especially well when combined with other gums to control ice crystal growth. Carrageenan keeps dairy proteins evenly suspended, ensuring a silky, stable texture without separation. Depending on what you wish to adjust, you can add a single stabilizer or unlock even greater improvements through the synergy of 2 or even 3 together. The question, of course, is how much of each should you add? That's where Cape Crystal brand's convenient ice cream calculator comes in, guiding you to the right balance every time. Icy, gummy, or fast-melting pints? Good news! Now you can fix it in less than 90 seconds. Here's the scoop. Ice crystals grow when solids are low, mix is unbalanced, or stabilizers are off by a few tenths of a percent. Here's the fix: the free Cape Crystal Ice Cream Stabilizer Calculator. Use the ice cream calculator. It is just one of the 9 available food calculators available on the Cape Crystal brand's website. Here I am putting in the batch amount I intend to mix. It is 48 ounces or 1,419 milliliters. I then select the type of base, dairy or plant-based. I chose dairy for this demonstration. Here I input the percentage of fat. In this case, it's 14%. Then I input the amount of sugar. Here I put in 23%. I make my texture choice, which is creamy. Now, by pressing the Calculate button, it provides an immediate recommendation of the best stabilizers to add. The calculator balances total solids and recommends stabilizer levels, typically 0.2 to 0.5%, using proven synergies like guar plus locust bean gum and dairy-friendly carrageenan. I can choose one or a combination of a synergy of 2 or 3. Each choice will provide a different improvement in our ice cream mixture. Follow the process notes. Pre-mix powders with sugar. Disperse while blending. Heat to hydrate, often 75 to 85 degrees Celsius. Then chill. Age the mix 4 to 12 hours at fridge temp for full hydration. Churn around -5 degrees draw, then harden in the freezer. Icy texture? Boost solids or stabilizers by 0.02 to 0.05% and extend aging. Gummy? Reduce stabilizer slightly. Fast melt? Check overrun and bump stabilizer or LBG.
Cape Crystal Brands offers many other free food calculators, including a hydrocolloid usage calculator, a jam and jelly calculator, a soup and sauce thickening calculator, a spherification ratio calculator, a very popular recipe conversion calculator, a gel strength and bloom calculator, a emulsifier ratio calculator, and several more, all free to using the link below. Check them out. They are a time saver.